This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 315 RLTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleep 6, DVD player, spare tire kit, water heater, external shower, LP detector, Colorado detector, refrigerator, skylight, leveling jacks, smoke detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 315 RLTS is 9,513 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.